Cats are known for their vocalizations, but there's something particularly puzzling about a cat that suddenly lets out a single loud meow seemingly out of nowhere. Whether it's in the middle of the night, during the day, or while you're busy with something else, a sudden, sharp meow can catch you off guard. It often sounds almost like the cat is trying to make a statement, and it can leave you wondering, why do cats sometimes make this dramatic vocalization, and what does it mean? There are several potential reasons why a cat might let out a single loud meow, and while each cat is unique in how it communicates, there are certain behaviors and instincts that explain this action. One common reason for this behavior is that the cat is simply trying to communicate its needs or desires. Cats meow to communicate with humans, and while their vocalizations are often associated with requesting food, attention, or playtime, there's more to the story. When a cat gives a loud meow, it's often an attempt to get your attention, whether it's for something specific or simply to check in with you. A loud, sudden meow might also be a way for a cat to signal a shift in its environment or routine. Cats are creatures of habit, and any disruption to their daily patterns can prompt them to vocalize more than usual. This can include changes in your schedule, new people in the house, or even a shift in the weather. Cats are very sensitive to their surroundings and may meow loudly when they notice something is different, particularly if it affects their sense of security or comfort. This meow could be a way for them to express confusion, alert you to something, or even to seek reassurance that everything is still as it should be. Another reason for a loud meow might have to do with a cat's need for attention. If your cat is feeling a little ignored or if it wants to make sure it has your full focus, it may deliver a particularly loud, attention-grabbing meow. Cats learn that meowing is a way to communicate with their human companions, and they often become very adept at understanding how to get a reaction. If your cat notices that a louder meow gets your attention faster than a softer one, it may increase the volume of its vocalizations to ensure you notice it. This is especially true for cats that are particularly social and love interacting with their human companions. The loud meow can be a form of signaling to you that it's time to give attention, petting, or playtime. Similarly, some cats may express their feelings of loneliness through loud meows. Cats that are left alone for extended periods may vocalize as a way to communicate their desire for companionship. This type of meowing can be especially common in cats that are more social and accustomed to being around their owners most of the time. If a cat feels isolated or abandoned, it may vocalize loudly to express its frustration or to try to get your attention. This is often more noticeable if the cat has recently been left alone for an extended period, such as during work hours or after a change in the household schedule. In some cases, a cat may use a loud meow as a form of self-expression or as an outlet for energy. Just like some people talk to themselves when they're thinking or working through something, cats might meow loudly as part of their internal dialogue. A cat might meow loudly when it's excited, curious, or even frustrated, and it's often a way for them to release energy or emotions. This is more common in playful or active cats that have a lot of energy to expend. If a cat is particularly vocal, it may meow loudly out of excitement or to announce its presence, especially if it's eager for interaction or if it's caught up in the moment of exploration. Stress and anxiety can also trigger a loud meow. Cats are very sensitive to changes in their environment, and when they experience stress or anxiety, they may vocalize more than usual. This could happen in response to a variety of stressors, such as the introduction of a new pet into the household, a visit to the vet, loud noises, or unfamiliar people or animals. A single loud meow might be a cat's way of signaling discomfort or trying to alert you to a situation that it finds unsettling. In cases where the loud meow is accompanied by other signs of distress, such as hiding, excessive grooming, or aggressive behavior, it may be a sign that the cat is feeling stressed or anxious. Another important factor to consider is age and health. Older cats or cats experiencing health problems might also vocalize loudly, even seemingly for no reason. As cats age, they can develop conditions that affect their ability to communicate or regulate their behavior, such as cognitive dysfunction syndrome, similar to dementia in humans. In these cases, a loud meow might not have a specific purpose, but rather be a result of confusion or disorientation. Similarly, a cat that is experiencing pain, discomfort, or illness may vocalize loudly as a form of communicating that something is wrong. If a sudden increase in loud meowing is accompanied by other signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, lethargy, or difficulty moving, it's essential to consult a veterinarian to rule out any medical concerns. Some cats may also meow loudly simply as a means of asserting their independence or signaling that they're in charge of their space. Cats are naturally territorial animals, and some may see themselves as the dominant leader in the household. A loud meow in this context could be a way for the cat to speak up or take command of its environment. Cats that are more independent or confident may not feel the need for constant human attention but may vocalize in a loud, commanding way to communicate their authority. This is more common in cats that have a strong, independent nature and feel comfortable making their presence known. Additionally, some cats are just naturally more vocal than others. Different cat breeds and individual personalities can have a big influence on how often and how loudly a cat meows. For example, breeds such as Siamese cats are known for being particularly vocal and may engage in loud meowing more frequently. Even within a single breed, individual cats can have varying vocalization patterns. Some cats are simply more chatty and use meowing as their primary means of communication. These cats may vocalize loudly out of habit or due to their personalities, regardless of any specific need or reason. In such cases, the loud meow is more of a routine behavior than a specific signal. Interestingly, a single loud meow can also be a cat's way of expressing excitement or anticipation. If your cat associates a particular action, such as feeding time, with a positive outcome, it might let out a loud meow as a way of expressing eagerness or enthusiasm. The meow could be a form of reminder to you that it's time for a meal or a treat. Similarly, a cat may vocalize loudly when it knows it's about to engage in an activity it enjoys, such as playtime or getting attention. This type of meowing is often accompanied by other body language, such as a wagging tail, purring, or an excited posture. Sometimes, cats use a single loud meow as a way of getting your attention in specific situations. If the cat is stuck somewhere, has spotted something interesting, like prey outside, or is trying to communicate something it perceives as urgent, the loud meow can be a form of alert. Cats are highly observant animals and may vocalize loudly when they want to direct your attention to something, whether it's something in their environment or their own needs. For instance, a cat might meow loudly if it's waiting for you to open a door or if it wants you to notice something it's found or is curious about. A cat letting out a single loud meow out of nowhere is a multifaceted behavior with various possible explanations. It could be an expression of desire for attention, a reaction to a change in its environment, an attempt to communicate loneliness or anxiety, or simply an instinctual response to something exciting or new. It might also be influenced by the cat's health, age, or breed characteristics. While it's not always possible to pinpoint exactly why a cat is vocalizing at any given moment, understanding the broader context of the behavior can help cat owners interpret their feline companions' vocalizations. In many cases, this sudden meow is just a way for the cat to communicate with you, and learning to recognize what the meow is trying to convey is an essential part of developing a strong bond and mutual understanding with your pet.